friends, it's Awilda here from Hip and Creative. So today's video is going to be another haul video, a Target haul video. So I was, again, if you saw my previous video where I shared my Dollar Tree haul, I mentioned that I was in Glen Mills in that Dollar Tree. There's also a Target in that Dollar Tree area, or in that shopping mall area, and I thought I'd jump in and just kind of look around. While I was there, I purchased this shirt, and I also got a couple things from that local Dollar Tree. So the first thing I wanted to share with you was this giant paper clip. It's kind of hard to tell, but I just thought it was very pretty. I'm going to be using it in my office as decor, and it's just a very pretty gold. I'm a sucker for rose gold, gold, pink. I just gravitate to things like that. So the other item that we purchased from the Dollar Spot area were these trays. Each one was $1, so this one here is $1 on its own, and you get one tray. But I also purchased this there's two of them here for $1. I'm probably going to be using it in my children's bathroom, my kids' bathroom. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to fit. I'm hoping it fits. If not, then I'll find a purpose for it somewhere else. I also purchased these smaller storage bins for $1, and again, you get two of these. While we were at the Dollar Spot, again, they have this cute little dog treat container. It's two containers here with the lid. I'm going to be, my husband and I, we train our dogs, so we're going to fill these up with training treats, and it's going to be two different types. So that one is to train Harper when she's leash training, and the other one would be a different treat that we're training her to be, like, she's very reactive when it comes to being in the window. So we're trying to train her not to be so reactive when she sees strangers or another dog or even a leaf fly by, she reacts. So we're in the process of doing that, and I thought this would be a quick little pop-in type of tray to give them their training treats. The other thing I got from my office is this really pretty gold little what do you call it, file folder holder. It's just really cute gold, and I really like this, so I got myself one. I also purchased this little heating mat. I'm sure many of you guys have seen something like this. It's a traveling one. I thought it was really cool because you can unravel it and lay it down for your curling irons and whatnot. And with 3 females plus myself living in the household, we're always putting our heating elements on the tabletop. So I thought I'd purchase this for $3 and use this to kind of keep my surface protected. I also like that it has these little knobs in there so that you can undo it and open them up, and when you want to, you just kind of like put them back into the little socket there, and just, it's great for traveling and whatnot. So I'm thinking of when we go to the beach this summer, I have somewhere to put our heating curlers in. So while we were at the Dollar Spot, my husband really liked these little mini signs. He thought would go great in our coffee area here on the right. He just thought it was pretty cool, and I'm like, hey, you like it, we get it. It's actually just $3, so technically it's like $1 each. So I thought it was a cute little find. I also purchased this little trinket tray here. It is a ceramic tray. They had different design. They had one that kind of looked like a long hexagon shape, and they also had a round one, but I just decided this little rectangular shaped one would be perfect. Of course, you can use it for your jewelry. You can use it in the bathroom for your soap dispenser. It's actually a good idea because that way it's an easy cleanup. You just leave your soap dispenser here, and maybe like your rings there. When you wash your hands, you can just, it'll catch all the little drippage that can go here. You can also use this in your kitchen for the same thing. You can even use this if you have like a front entrance and you have like a side table, this could be great to kind of like to put your wallet on there, maybe house keys on there, car keys, and even maybe your cell phone, just to rest it there as you come in from outside. Kind of like a mini dump area, just to kind of corral everything here. We also found this really cute, it's actually ceramic, but it's for flowers. It's a cement pot, it says here, It's $5 for this one here. And it's just a simple ceramic little pot holder with the drainage in the center. I thought this was really cute. I'm not going to be using it for flowers, at least not real plants are going to go in here. I'm probably going to use it for either faux plants to go in here, or maybe just to use it in the summer or in my laundry room to kind of house things, and maybe put my washcloths in there or anything else like that. Inside of it, I had this cute little dish towel set. Now this side here has the little puppies on it, and I thought that was really cute. And then the gray one here says wipe your paws. We also found this really pretty drying mat. It's not pretty, it's a cool looking drying mat. It's it has the black on the one side, I believe. So the one side's black and white striped, and then the other side, it'll show you in this little picture here. One side is black and white striped, and the other side just says clean dishes. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to show the white side. I'm probably going to have the white side face down and show the black side. I like this. It's a great size. I did purchase one a few years back from Target's Dollar Spot area. I believe it says it's either me or the house. We both can't look good. And I just thought kind of like to interchange it, and kind of when I put that one to wash, I can have this one out and just kind of interchange between the two. Next, we purchased these 4 signs for the laundry room. This was $5 for the 4. I thought it was really cute. I like it. I just thought we are in the process of trying to figure out what we want to do with our laundry room. We are going to do a huge makeover, new floors, new window. We're actually putting new walls up. Electrical has to be redone. It's a very big project. So I've been gathering things like the signs and the containers and whatnot to kind of make it a little more financially affordable for me in the future. So when I'm finally ready to do this DIY project, this home room renovation project, it won't cost us way too much all at one shot. So we are going to be doing that project in stages. So little by little over the seasons, I've been picking things up to kind of house it there. It also doubles as my craft room office area. So when I do my voiceovers, when I do my planning videos, anything like that, even when I do DIY projects, I primarily do it in that room. And if not that room, it is right next door to our back patio. So I would film in my back patio. So this is going to be a very, very big project that we are going to be doing sometime soon. I'm not too sure when, but I know it's coming. We're just trying to figure out price-wise, is it something that we can do this year or not? But it's within, I'm hoping within the next few months we'll be ready to start that project. Once we do, I'm going to be very excited to be showing you guys everything we do, from gutting it to putting everything back up. And it is going to be an amazing project, and I'm excited. So look forward to that video that's going to be coming in the next few months, I should say. coming. Okay, so the final thing I wanted to share with you guys was this. It's not from the Dollar Spot, it's actually from their kitchen area. It's the little mini Ninja food chopper. It minces, it purees, and it chops. We actually broke our chopper. My husband loves to use it when he makes dinner. It just so happens that in the process of, I think we're making potato salad and chicken quesadillas for dinner one night, and he was using it to chop the peppers, and then all of a sudden it just broke apart. It's really old. It was a really good processor, but it was very small, very old. This one's a little bit bigger. I love that we can take the bottom part and put it in the dishwasher, because the old one you had to wash it by hand, and sometimes when you're tired you don't want to wash things by hand. And so at least with this one, I can take some of the items and put them in the dishwasher and just make sure that I clean out the blades very well and put everything away. So I thought this was a win-win, and he loved it, I loved it, so we got it. I believe we paid about $29 for this one, $29.99. I'm going to say $29.99, I think. So it's a big ticket item, but something that I know is a great investment because we're going to have it for years to come. So that is everything for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you have any recommendations on a future video you'd like for me to share with you, let me know in the comments down below. My favorite out of everything that I picked out here from Target Dollar Spot has to really be the decorative little items like this thing here and this one. I'm just a sucker for anything that's gold or rose gold. I find them very, very fun. I also love the Ninja chopper because it's going to be very helpful for us in the coming days when we make our meals, especially the summer. We like to chop things and kind of cook outdoors a lot more, so that's going to be a lot of fun to use. And I also liked the little trinket tray here. It's just so versatile. You can use it for so many things, and for $3 I thought that was a really good deal. And that's it. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave me a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love it for you to subscribe. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.